I bet you didn't know there's a devil that's actually shy. Meet the Tasmanian devil. Tasmania is home to the Tasmanian devil, and these little guys are the world's largest carnivorous marsupials. They might look cute, but they're famous for their loud and disturbing screeches. And those jaws, they can crush bones. But here's the twist. Despite their fierce reputation, Tasmanian devils are actually quite shy. They mostly scavenge for food rather than hunt. So next time you think of devils, remember these fascinating creatures from down under. They're a lot more interesting than you might think. Hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more wild facts.